Hey, welcome back to Minnesota is in Warfare. So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what these are some cutting board. So for the one that I got right here, it comes with a set of 3 of them. But I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So they basically give you guys a small one, a medium one, and a large one. And for both sides, they do have like the non-slip material. So that way when you guys do put on the table, it won't move around. And eventually they do give you guys a handle for each one of them, so that way you carry around really easily if you guys need to. But when you guys do feel like the material that's on here, it is a super high quality material. So whether if you guys want to use it for chopping stuff, slicing stuff, or whatever, you can definitely use it how you guys want to. So this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me just go test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. So I think I'll use the middle one that's right here, because the small one is a little bit too small, but the middle size is perfect size. So obviously first thing you guys want to do is to wash the product first before you guys use it. Alright, so I just finished washing it. And I do want to mention one thing that I didn't mention about earlier is the fact that if you guys notice on the board, it is reversible. But if you guys notice for this side, they do have the crack on the side, so that way the liquid can fall on there. Where for other side does not have that, it's just like a flat board. So if you guys are cutting anything with liquid, it's better for you guys to use this side. And for this test, I'm going to use this one right here, which is the green one, which is Santoko knife. So first thing I want to do is to wash it first to make sure it's clean. Alright, so I just finished washing it. So for this test, I'm just going to cut some veggies to show you guys how well it works. So if you guys just slice through, eventually it is pretty sharp, but it's not like the sharpest knife out there, but it is pretty sharp for what it is. In terms of non-slip material that's on the side, I think it depends on the type of table or the flat surface that you do have. Like in this case, you can see when we do move it does move a little bit. So the non-slip material only applies to certain surfaces, but you see the cutting board definitely does work.